Hi guys, thank you for watching my metrical videos. I'm Angela Fernandez. I hope you guys are safe at home. And well, today I'm going to talk about my new series that I've started in the last video. If you've not seen it, I'll put the link in the description. It's called Relationship Goals. And well, today's topic is a very familiar topic which many of the relationship face when they are in a relation together. It's called fighting. So many of the relationship, and there's a lot of breakups that happens due to fights in the relationship. So I will tell you how you can stop fight and maintain a harmonious relationship and also maintain it for a long time. So let's start. So guys, I'm sure there are many things, ऐसे बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती होंगी रिलेशनशिप में जो दूसरों के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से अलग हो, एंड बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती होंगी जो पर्सपेक्टिव अलग होता होगा एंड ओपिनियन अलग होता होगा, और उस वजह से झगड़े होते होंगे रिलेशनशिप में. बट देन आई कैन टेल यू हाउ यू कैन stop fight and be happy together. So my very first important point to this is that everyone, whoever is in a relationship, a girl or boy, is always trying to prove their point, but not everyone is trying to listen. Now I am not telling you to listen just to for the sake of it. I am telling to listen to understand the point of view of a person. So it is really important, if you want to end a fight in a relationship, you need to be a very good listener, and if you are not, you develop to become a good listener, just so that you know what is going on in your partner's mind and heart, so that in once you know, you'll be in a position to solve the fight in a more mature manner. My next important point and very important point would be that जब भी कभी झगड़ा होता है पार्टनर्स के बीच में, so my very sincere advice to that person or that girl or boy would be that never leave that place during that point of time. Means अगर अभी झगड़ा हो रहा है, बहुत ज़्यादा झगड़ा हो रहा है, तो उस समय आप उस जगह को छोड़ के ना जाए. आप अगर घर में हो तो उस घर को छोड़कर ना जाए. डोंट गो वाइल द फाइट इज गोइंग ऑन. हाँ, चाहे 2-3 दिन बाद चले जाओ, लेकिन उस वक्त नहीं जाना है. यू हैव टू बी देयर टू लिसन टू दैट पर्सन, और डू क्वारल बट बी देयर इन दैट हाउस, इन दैट सेम प्लेस while your partner is there, because that is also one of the important factor that can help stop the fight in relationship. My next important point would be, and this is really important because this is personal leverage of partners, and love has to be freedom. It should not be trapped, and neither it can be scattered everywhere. So my very first important point is every individual is free to express their opinion and the point of view, and it is the opposite partner's responsibility to respect their point, opinions and decisions. आप उस पे उनकी ओपिनियन के ऊपर जज नहीं कर सकते हो. आपको सिर्फ सुनना है कि उन्होंने क्या बोला है एंड व्हाट इज इट, एंड यू नीड टू रिस्पेक्ट देयर पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, बट एट द सेम टाइम यू हैव टू पुट योर पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू ऑल्सो, जस्ट सो दैट पर्सन अंडरस्टैंड्स clearly that what are your perspectives and opinions on that point, and what are their perspectives and opinions, and similarly and accordingly together you can solve it out and talk it out. So as I told you, it is really important when your opposite partner is angry, and I as I've advised to listen, please, and also told you not to leave that place at that point of time. Why I told you is that after a person cascades everything, all anger upon you, he is going to calm down. वो कुछ ही समय में शांत हो जाएगा, और आपको उसी पीस का वो मतलब whenever he is going to be शांत, you have to wait for that calmness, and then you need to start speaking. So it is really important to wait for the opposite person to stay calm before you put your opinion and point of view, and only then that will make sense to that person, because when he is angry, it is not going to make sense to him. And last but not the least, the very important point to stop fight and maintain a happy relationship for a longer period of time is communication. please keep your ego aside and talk to the person. It will be very, very difficult to talk to the person at that point of time when he's angry. But trust me, wait silently and talk to that person, because communication is the key for a long-term relationship, for a happy relationship and harmonious relationship. So that's it. Do let me know in the description below if you like this video, and if you connect to me, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Till then, be safe, be kind and strike a balance. Bye.